Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to correctly set up and calibrate your Beta Pro key cutting machine step by step. Before starting, place the machine on a flat surface. Connect the power cable and USB cable. Then turn the machine on. Make sure both the decoders are clean and securely installed. First, install the S1D or S2A jaw. This jaw is used to calibrate the distance between the decoder and the cutter. From the main menu, select Calibrate, then choose Decoder, Cutter Distance Calibration. The machine will automatically perform the distance measurement. Do not touch the machine until the process is complete. When you see the message calibration successful, the first stage is done. Now, you need to calibrate the jaw that you will use for cutting. For example, if you're using jaw S1A, select jawCalibration, S1A from the menu. To ensure accuracy, perform a cleanup cut as the final step. This will polish the surface of your already cut key. Warning: do not use cleanup cut on uncut keys, it can damage the cutter. Once you have completed all the steps correctly, your Beta Pro machine is fully calibrated and ready for precise cutting. For more information, refer to the user manual or contact your authorized distributor.